from your career at least?
See, the struggle for me is not 4 years because I waited at home. My struggle for me was 7 years because I was put in jail when I was 21 years old for something I have not done. Uh, I don't want to hide this. Of course, everyone over here wants to know about my personal life, and I would like to talk about it because I have been very quiet. मैं चुप था क्योंकि I believed in the court. I still do believe in the court, but यहाँ पे बहुत time लगता है, and I don't have 20 years for that. I don't have 14 years for that to wait for my judgment. I have been accused in my case, and you guys, an accused cannot do anything. You can accuse anybody, any single one, and there will be a case on you no matter what. Few points I want to put, sir, thought time lagega, but I need this. If I'm a complainant, I put a case on anybody. I don't have to go to court. The accused has to go to court on each and every date. Okay. Since I was 21 years old, I have been going to the court. I am 29 in a month. On my case, in the history of India, my case is the only case where the accused has said, "Ki mera trial chalao." Okay, I've gone to High Court and I've filed a writ petition to expedite my trial. In the entire history of India, what is our population? What is our population? Like, we are billions, okay? History of India, my case is the only case where the accused has gone to court and said, "Ki mera trial chalao." It's been 7 years. You guys know what I'm going through.
Also, I want to ask Murad sir and Ashwin sir, of course, when a case goes on in the industry, producers feel it's a risk to put money on an actor. You guys had your belief and you guys had your faith in Suraj. Do you think that this will change things? And of course, to you, you've gone through a lot, like we can see, and producers must have had a risk of putting money on you. What do you have to say about both of them, because they put money on you when things are still going on?
See, every time I go to a studio, the first question is, "Suraj, what is happening with the case?" And it is their right. If I was in their position, I would say the same thing. But I have nothing to say because I'm an accused. I cannot do anything. I have to wait for the trial to start. The complainant's duty should be to come to court and start the trial if they want justice. If they want justice, they need to come in court. But every time I have a trial, the complainants catch a flight and leave for London because they have a UK visa. A British passport, and the authorities over here cannot do anything about it. That is not fair. I want this trial to start. I want it to end because I want an answer. Whether I'm guilty, whether I'm not guilty, whatever. But start to karo yaar. Start करने से पहले आप चले जाते हो वापस. It's not bloody fair. Imagine if you were in my place. Everyone says, "Suraj, my friends, family, this, that. Suraj, क्या हो रहा है केस का?" I said, "पता नहीं यार. मैं तो जाता हूँ कोर्ट. मतलब हर महीने में 2-3 बार तो जाता ही हूँ." Police has done investigation, not once, twice. I have a CBI investigation at the age of 22. Day and night I've sat with them. If they said that there's nothing in this case, why can't the court start my case? Why can't the complainant be there and face the trial? Because it's her duty. उन्होंने मेरे पे डाला है केस. अभी उनकी ड्यूटी होती है मेरे को गिल्टी प्रूफ करना. मेरी ड्यूटी नहीं होती है कि मैं इनोसेंट प्रूफ हूँ, And that's how it should be. And it's a request from all of you all sitting over here that someone takes a stand. Because the media keeps asking me कि क्या हो रहा है उसका, पर आप लोग क्या करोगे उसके बारे में? I'm the accused. I'm asking for help. Really, guys. Please understand. No, I have to say this because, I've not spoken. And I thought ठीक हो जाएगा, but it's been too long. This is the only time I'm going to actually talk about it. The rest I leave it up to God,
Don't worry, the film will speak for you.
Talking about justice, I think they've done full-on justice to this script. And जब ये film release होगी, तब हमको देखने को मिलेगा 15 November. And the response has been amazing यहाँ पे. इस film की हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं जैसे